Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, Thursday, November 6th, 2025. We'll cover market movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,721.72, down 74.58 points. The Dow 30 index also fell by 397.79 points to end at 46,913.21. The Nasdaq Composite Index declined by 445.80 points to 23,053.99. On market breadth, decliners outnumbered advancers significantly in all indexes. In the S&P 500 index, only 160 stocks advanced, while 335 declined. For the Nasdaq Composite Index, 718 stocks advanced as opposed to 2,363 that declined today. In returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw a notable weekly decline of 2.83%. The S&P 500 Index posted a year-to-date gain of 14.28%, while the Dow 30 Index rose by 10.27% year-to-date, showing stronger trends over time. Energy posted gains with a rise of 0.86% closing at 674.21, continuing a strong positive trend. Healthcare continued its upward momentum, closing up for 4 consecutive days. Consumer defensive closed down at 844.86 in a strong negative trend. Consumer cyclical led the losers, dropping 2.4%. Technology followed with a 1.9% drop, marking its 3rd consecutive down day. Communication services and utilities both showed declines while being in positive trends. Poland is leading with a jump of 1.3% at 33.95. Both Thailand and China showed strong gains, with China breaking out from sideways movement. Singapore maintained its positive trend, ending at 28.40. Poland achieved a strong year-to-date return of over 62%. Meanwhile, China's year-to-date return is about 36.51%. Despite small setbacks this week, Thailand continues to display strong positive trends. Within the tech giants, Alphabet marked a new all-time high, closing at 285.34, up by 0.59, marking its 2nd consecutive positive close. In contrast, Apple ended mildly lower at 269.77, reflecting a 0.37-point dip. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms and Nvidia experienced sharper declines, with Nvidia closing down for the 3rd consecutive day. Amazon faced a substantial 2.8% decrease, closing at 243.4.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 100,879.53, having dropped by 2,989.47, marking a 2.8% tumble with a very strong negative trend and some downward volatility. Ethereum follows a similar path, down 103.49 to 3,320.40, experiencing a 3% decline with strong downward volatility. Meanwhile, BNB is at 950.35, showing a mixed negative trend with slight volatility swings. Solana sees the steepest decline, falling by 6.55 to 156.1, noting a 4% drop in price and very strong downward volatility. Even Dogecoin is not spared, decreasing by 0.0055 to 0.1619, with a significant 3.2% downturn in prices. Today in crypto returns, Bitcoin shows a week-to-date return of minus 8.74%, with notable daily declines. Meanwhile, Ethereum has dropped 15.1% week-to-date, with the downward trend continuing. BNB displays a comparable performance, down 12 0.31% week to date. Solana continues its steep decline with a 16.94% fall week to date. Dogecoin also experiences a significant drop, showing a 13.23% decline week to date, rounding off a challenging period for major cryptos.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently down against several key world currencies. Against the euro, it's at 0.8658, down 0.0048, showing a strong positive trend with some upward volatility today. Versus the British pound, the dollar's at 0.7612, down 0.0051, marking 2 consecutive down days but maintaining a very strong positive trend. The dollar also dipped against the Japanese yen at 153.0640, yet still holding a very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, against the Swiss franc, the dollar is at 0.8061, down 0.0042 with upward volatility, even though the price has been relatively flat for 3 days. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, the greenback rose 0.0069 to 1.5431, continuing a strong positive trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.